time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. I'm in a much better space this morning, I must say. No mental breakdown today. I'm feeling a lot better than I did yesterday in my mental space. And I just got my workout in. Maybe that's why I'm so hyped. That helps. That helps. It helps. It helps. It helps. It helps. Especially when I'm being intentional about my workout. So I'm happy that I feel much better today. I am up. I got my workout in. You guys didn't see that, but yes, I did get a good little 40 minutes in. I got myself a good shower. My kids are in there watching TV, but that about to stop right now because I'm gonna give them some porridge in the fridge. I'm just warming that to give them right now. And then I'm just gonna jump right into the meat of the matter for the day. I have a lot on my agenda. So time management, prioritize. Being intentional is what getting me through these days, okay? Anyway, you guys have a good day. Subscribe to the Fam Bam if you're new here, and stick and stay to see what is it that we have to show you guys today. We'll be staying in for most of the day. So let's see what we'll cook up today. So enjoy today's vlog. Stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated, stay encouraged, you guys. Stay encouraged, be honest, be kind to somebody, catch up and keep up. And I'll see you guys with the Fam Bam throughout the rest of today. Okay, this porridge doesn't seem like it need any extra milk, because I don't like to warm the kids' porridge and make it watery. I like when the porridge stay porridge consistency. And I need to make some green juice because Tyler is still not feeling so well. He asked me for green juice yesterday. I gave him some lemon and honey, but I need to make some green juice this morning because I don't really see any major progress in his feelings. So the green juice is needed. But first, let's make their porridge cool, so that they can eat. Almost in. Let's go find my little humans. Your nose. Wipe your nose. There's mushwa in here. Say good morning, Sarah.
Good
Morning, Tyler.
morning.
Wipe your nose.
What's wrong?
Low. Where's the bag I gave you? Go for it and put that in it. Sarah, what you doing?
Take hold of that.
What you doing?
Take me.
You take Minnie? You're playing with Tai Tai?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have boots.
Minnie have what?
We have
Minnie have boots. Okay. How you feel, Tai? Good.
Yeah.
No, you're hurting today?
Oh, it's hard.
Very good. Head not hurting anymore. He have his porridge, had his porridge, and Penalty's sister. Alright, Mama is studying. You two be nice to each other, okay? Alright, so now that they are having their one-on-one time, I'm gonna have my one-on-one time. First, starting off with some driving lessons book, and then I'll pause in 2 hours and have lunch, and then go to French book, and then flip back and forth to both. So catch you guys later. Look, see? Story of my life. What number is today?
20, and we found it in the same time.
Okay, let me see what you have. You helping her to open it?
I'm already sure it's a beer.
Does Sarah have a beer?
Yes, I was right.
What do you have, Sarah?
Beer.
A beer. Tell her what you have.
I have a tablet.
A tablet.
It's That's what I. Because in French, in
Carrot, come let me see it, Sarah. Show mama, come.
Because in French,
Come show mama your
tablette
beer.
de chocolat.
Come show Faves your
French
beer.
name tablette de chocolat. That's why I call it tablette.
Wow, look at Sarah beer. Wait, Sarah, wait. Wait.
You want some?
Wait. I'm showing Faves.
Yes.
Sarah, wait. I'm showing Faves your beer.
And me.
Wait. Sarah, wait. Oh my gosh. That's Sarah beer chocolate. Come, Tyler, let me see yours. You open
The
it?
inside is not interesting, and more the outside is interesting.
And this is Tyler. Oh, he said the outside is not interested, is inside interesting. Let me see.
The opposite of what you say. The outside is
Oh, is the is the outside interesting, not the inside?
Yes.
Okay, this is Tyler's.
Because the package is pretty.
Yeah. Okay. Here you go. Enjoy.
You want some?
No, thank you, but nice of you to offer.
I want to see. Sarah.
All right, guys,
In
go and take
September,
up back
Every
your.
time I give her a piece, I don't really want to give her a piece since she already have a chocolate.
That's okay. You don't have to give her any. She just ate. No, leave tie with
I want to
his.
see if they're no. All
Go
black.
put up back the calendars. Look at Sarah want Tyler chocolate. Sarah, no, you already ate yours, okay? Okay?
Oh.
Hey, go and put this in the bin. Here. That's your job. Go, Tyler, put them back up, please. And go back in the room to play. Go back in the room to play so Mama can continue studying. 5 more days too? Christmas.
4 days to vacation.
Go, Sarah, go with Ty. Look at her. Sarah, go with Ty. Go. Sarah, stop the screaming. Tell her.
2 days to vacation.
Go.
I mean 3 days to vacation.
You guys go back to play. Lunchtime for my babies. Whenever my kids are home, they love a good sandwich. Yesterday they had normal sandwich. Today they said they want sandwich in the sandwich maker. So they'll have warm sandwiches today. So that's what I'm about to make. What are you guys having for lunch? And I don't know what I want. I told you guys during this cold time is the hardest for me to eat salad. I despise salad during this time. I don't want to see it. I don't want nothing cold. I just want all things warm. I could drink a nice bowl of soup. Maybe that will be my substitute for salad. Make veggie soup when I'm home. I don't know. So that I don't eat junk, because if I don't have my salad, I guarantee you that I'm not going to eat anything healthy. The struggles of winter, the love-hate relationship of this time of the year, I tell you. It's rough in these streets. It's rough. Oh. Okay, I'm coming. It's your fault. It's you put your earring. Put it back on. Put it on. She said my socks. Tata took off your socks.
Okay.
All right, the last of leftovers. Where am I frightening you guys? I don't know.
I burped.
The last of leftovers, the last of the mac and cheese. This is freshness. I just roast these chicken and I just made these green beans. So this is what dinner is looking like for tonight. I have a little bit of ackee and saltfish over here and a little bit of sauce that we're gonna finish up. But tonight is the last of the leftovers, girl. It did good.
My turn. What's that? Oh my God.
Did she just say two big eyes? That's what she said.
It's a bear! Run away! Close the door! Wait! I break the door! Hey! What's that? Two big glasses! Two big eyes!
Sarah, no jumping.
She just a long mouth.
She's a long mouth.
Dad. It's a bear. The big brown bear. Look, look, look. Tai breaks the door. Be. Hey, what's that? Two big glasses, two big eyes, my mouth, one arm, one body, one foot. She said I have 1 foot. And then 2 foot. Oh, okay. It's a bear 1 hand. Run away.
Okay, c'est
Stop it!
Ah, c'est taillé le
Stop, stop, stop! And go away! Stop, stop, stop! Go away! Stop, 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 stop! What's it? I'm going to go by the back door. Hello! Hello, Mom. Hello, Bill. Hi. No! Papa, no! What's that?
What's that, Sarah? What's that? Je sais pas, Sarah, mais j'ai entendu quelque chose.
Hey, say excuse me. Sarah, say excuse me.
Dad!